2018 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, rear window defroster, heated front seats, security system, power windows, compass, panic alarm, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.